back. So today we are going to be making this hair mask, and it's going to condition your hair. To start off this hair mask, I am starting off with my cornstarch. I'm going to be using a half cup of the cornstarch. So I'm going to put this in here, and then next I'm going to add my water, and then I'm going to be using some cloves here. You all know that I love to use cloves. So I have about 2 cups of water. I'm going to go ahead and add this in here, and then I'm going to get my spatula. I'm going to stir this up. That way there is no lumps. Today I'm using my microphone that is not the usual. So I'm going to stir this, getting rid of all the lumps and the bubbles and all of those extra stuff in here. I'm going to stir it. I just want a pure liquid. So I have a pure liquid. It's time to add my cloves. Just going to go ahead and eyeball the amount of cloves that I want. Just this amount is enough. Just this. So I'm going to put this in here, and then we're going to transfer this to the stove top. I'm going to cook it like I did the last time. I think my video before this one, it's a hair mask video. So the same process. It's just that I'm using cloves today. So let's transfer this to the stove top. So I have my mixture on the stove top. I'm going to leave this on here and allow it to cook. I started off with high heat, but once it starts to simmer, I'm going to lower it to medium heat. That way I don't overcook it, okay? You just want it to slowly cook. Let it slowly cook for maybe 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the consistency that you want. And I'm just going to make sure to stir this, because if I don't, it's going to get very lumpy. And if you don't want to blend it, then yeah, keep stirring. So like you see, it already started to simmer. Now I'm just going to go ahead and load the stove top. I'm going to set it on medium heat until this is ready. So if I wasn't stirring, this is what I was going to, see how lumpy that is? So I have to keep stirring. Just keep stirring it. So this is all ready. This is all done. I'm going to turn this off, and I'm going to let this cool down a little bit. Alright family, so I'm just using my strainer to strain this. It's because I have my cloves in here. I have my whole cloves in here. They also have the cloves powder. So if you do have that, you can use it as well. But I have my whole cloves in here, so I have to strain it. I could just pick it out, but I'm being lazy today. So I'm just going to use my sifter and strain it. This is my cornstarch and cloves. Like I said earlier, the cornstarch is really great for your hair and also for your skin. Cornstarch has many minerals and vitamins, and some of these vitamins are, like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, and E. Those are all really good vitamins for your hair and for your body overall. And then the minerals in here are phosphorus, iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc. These are all good for your hair. Cornstarch also helps in thickening your hair. So if you have thin hair, you can use the cornstarch. It also regulates the pH levels on your scalp. So cornstarch is really good. My next ingredient is my coffee. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of the coffee. Coffee is really great for your hair. It promotes softer and shinier hair. If your hair appears dull, brittle, and dry, you can add coffee to your everyday hair care routine, and it's going to revive the appearance of your hair. Coffee also naturally gets rid of gray hair. It is a stimulant that improves the blood circulation to your hair follicles, which can make your hair grow faster. So the next ingredient I'm going to add here is my coconut oil. I love coconut oil because it deeply moisturizes your hair. I'm going to use about 3 teaspoons of the coconut oil. So I have my coconut oil in there. Oh, beautiful mixture. Ooh, so pretty. I love the color. It looks like candy. But it's not, y'all. It's for your hair. This is a very powerful hair mask for your hair. It's going to help in growing your hair and strengthening your hair as well. It contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Coconut oil slow down hair loss, which is good. My hair mask is all ready. I'm going to take this and apply this to my hair. Leave it on for 45 minutes as usual. So I have my cornstarch, my coffee, and my coconut oil. 3 teaspoons of the coffee. 2 teaspoons of the coffee, 3 teaspoons of the coconut oil, and a half cup of my cornstarch. This is a very powerful hair mask. Like I said, coffee is a stimulant that improves the blood circulation to your hair follicles. It makes your hair grow faster. Coffee can also restore your hair. According to research, the caffeine in the coffee can help stimulate hair growth and stop hair loss. So coffee is really good for your hair. Now let's go and apply this to my hair. All right, family, so I have washed and conditioned my hair. It's kind of nappy, y'all. The shrinkage is real. So yeah, it's my max. I'm gonna go in there and apply this to my hair now. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do this. The coffee makes me want to drink coffee. But I'm not a fan of coffee. I don't drink coffee. I can use it in my hair. Oops, I think I got too much away. But it feels like whenever I drink coffee, I want to throw it up. Yeah, I don't like that feeling. So I avoid drinking coffee. Now let's move to the other half. So I'm gonna start. Family, so this brings us to the end of today's video. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And also look at my hands, they're so messy. Look at my shirt. And also join the family, okay? We have a lot of fun over here. I'm also on Instagram. I do a lot of fun stuff over there. So go ahead and follow me. And thank you all for watching today's video. See you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Bye.